Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to your bank account in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has some updated twists for security and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just cashing out your first ETH, I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, let's cover the basics. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, some Ethereum in your wallet, a verified account on a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and of course, a linked bank account. Always remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Ethereum wallet. You'll see your ETH balance right there. Before we proceed, make sure you have enough ETH to cover any network fees. These can vary based on 2025 network updates, so keep an eye on gas prices. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, select your ETH and choose the Send option. You'll need to enter the wallet address of your exchange account. Pro tip: use the QR code scanner for accuracy and copy-paste addresses to prevent errors. Once confirmed, hit Send and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Step 3. Now, log into your exchange account. Once your ETH arrives, go to the trading section and sell your Ethereum for your local currency, like USD or EUR. In 2025, many exchanges have streamlined this with one-click sells, but always review the current rates and fees to maximize your returns. Step 4. After selling, head to the withdrawal section of the exchange. Select your bank account, enter the amount, and confirm the withdrawal. This could take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and the exchange's policies. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication everywhere for added security. Finally, once the funds hit your bank, you're all set. Remember, laws around crypto can change, so stay updated with 2025 regulations in your region. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.